Well guys, my buddy came back to me, brought his car. I'm the only one that touches this car. I'm the only one that works on this car. He really trusts me because of the channel and my love for the Panther platform cars and just Lincolns in general. And he brings it here for me to work on. And a lot of people, he's my dad because I address him as yes sir, no sir. He's just an old black man that's got the kindest heart ever. And when people see me and him together, it's kind of weird because they're like, this ain't matching up with today's society. And he's like my dad. He only brings the stuff to me, but he's my buddy, you know, kind of like he's got both respect for me. It's yes sir, no sir with this man, and that's how I treat him. That's how it is. He's just a good, kind-hearted man, and I give him all the respect in the world that he should get. And these are 140,000 mile plugs. $140,000 miles on these. See the white dot on the end of them? Factory plugs. And it's time. It wasn't misfiring or anything like that, but I told him, I said, look man, let's throw a set of plugs in it. And he said, all right, do what you got to do. So I ordered a set of plugs to come tomorrow. I think they're SP433s is the Ford number for them. And I ordered a set of boots for the coils, front and back. You see how I just took this one bank straight out and laid it off to the side? And then all it is 2 10 mils that hold that cap on. That's it. Easiest tune-up ever. And then what I did with this one is I took the 2 10 mils out there and then fished the plugs straight back, then swung them, brought them up underneath this vacuum line right here, and just laid them off to the side so I can clean them up. Go ahead and put new rubber boots and stuff on them before I put everything back in there, just to make sure they're soft, you know, they're worn, but they're not dead. And you probably put another 30,000 miles on this plug, on these plugs. This car is in a really, really good shape, but this is what a set of 140,000 mile Ford plugs from probably the best era in history that Ford made vehicles. From the early 90s to the late 2000s, Ford really put out a good, great, high quality product, something to be proud of. Other than a few little annoyances here and there, but here we are. I mean, it is what it is. And this is where we are today. Well guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut the video here. I just wanted to show you what 140,000 mile Ford factory plugs look like in a 4.6 liter dual overhead cam Ford motor. But this new stuff, you put 40,000 miles on them, it looks like it's got 400,000 miles. These from the old days, they look great. Y'all be blessed.